So ways that you could help us, that anybody could help us, is by bringing your unique skills and talents to our organization. And that could mean working with some of our participants for sure as a volunteer, but there are plenty of ways to volunteer. You could help us prepare the garden beds for some of our garden lessons. You could help us with the arenas or perhaps some barn updates that are needed to care for the horses. You could help us by preparing for events, either by contributing your marketing skills or perhaps setting up tables. There's so many ways that you can get involved within this organization and be a huge benefit to everybody that we touch.